What is barley grass? It is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to age. Barley grass is the most excellent source of nutrients the body needs for growth, repair, and well-being. It can help control blood sugar, powerful antioxidant, fights cancer cells, aids skin diseases, help manage weight, strengthens immune system, boosts energy, aids acne, helps slow down aging, protects against UV radiation, improves digestion, clearer skin and healthier hair and nails, improves bone health, anti-inflammatory, promotes stamina, natural detoxifier, fights infection, good for the heart, promotes digestive health. Nakakatulong din siya guys sa mga may ubo, sipon, lagnat, hirap makadumi, hirap mabuntis, may sakit sa atay, hirap sa paghinga, may bukol sa ovary, sa leeg, sa baga, hirap makalakad, mataas ang sugar, may bato sa abdo, may sakit sa sikmura, may paninikip ng dibdib, mataas ang kolesterol, nagpapalakas din siya ng resistensya at panlaban sa mga sakit. Nakakatulong din siya sa mga may anemia, diabetes, autoimmune disease, gallstone, kidney stone, high blood, GERD or acid reflux, heartburn, hyperacidity, constipation, PCOS, colon problem at marami pang iba. Why Salveo? 100% pure and organic, vegan-friendly, no sugar, superfood, multi-awarded supplement, grown in a pollution-free environment, organically planted without pesticides and chemicals, harvested at a young age when it is nutritionally dense. Guys, ingat po lagi tayo sa mga fake, sobrang daming fake neto. Natural guys and organic naman to. Pwede siya sa mga bata or kahit dun sa mga babies, mga 6 years